Well, on Breakfast News now, it's time for a Star Trek segment with Maya Sharma.
Kishore Kumar, a voice loved across generations and across India. Even those who swear by others of his contemporaries like Mohammed Rafi or Manna Dey always have a smile on their face when they think or talk about Kishore Kumar, eccentric, versatile genius. So when there's a tribute concert to Kishore Kumar, performed by a member of another generation with a great voice of his own, Shan, Bangaloreans knew they were in for a treat. Shan, and he's right here in Bangalore. Let me start with an impossible question. Which is your favorite Kishore Kumar song?
Oh my God, totally impossible question.
I warned you.
They're playing that Ohansini piece, so I'll say Ohansini, one of my favorite songs also.
Okay.
It's a beautiful song.
Really
yeah.
fantastic it is.
Yeah.
Now, again, another difficult one. How do you rate him along with his contemporaries? Is Kishore your favorite, or are there other names that really spring to mind from that era?
No, I wouldn't say. I mean, definitely Mohammed Rafi Saab, Mukesh Ji.
Yes.
I think the three of them, Manada, they all had their own styles, and at the
Yes.
same time, they were very original. They emoted with a lot of heart,
Absolutely.
which is missing today. So, that's why, which is why we keep going back to them. I mean, it's been so many years now, but somehow, what they created with their voice and their, their own individual styles is absolutely inimitable, and, it's an experience, not just music. Yeah.
And
yeah.
Kishore he's very accessible somehow to the general public as well. But as a professional singer, is there something about him that you think, wow, I wish I could do that?
Yeah, I think he was very natural. He always kept it very easy, which is why even today, it's, you don't have another Kishore that still, he never got dated.
Yes,
His
yes.
voice never felt like, oh, this song must be, 30 years ago. Even if I had to sing this song today, I'd sing it just like that.
Absolutely.
I think being an actor himself, and he always had a personality behind the voice, which was exuberant, which was charming, which was sensitive, warm, if need be, and yet a carefree, caradam, joie de vivre kind of thing, which was incomparable. It was amazing.
Yes, and I'll give you a compliment. Now, Kishore Kumar, yes, he made it sound easy. You also have a very easy style with your singing. Was it always...
I borrowed a page from his style. See, I can't have his voice, but I've always tried to keep that natural, easy, and a very instinctive singing rather than a very planned, calculative, clinical singing. I think, finally music is something that's not mathematics, so it's got to come with the flow, and it's got to touch your heart. So.
Thanks so much, Shan. Well, Shan there in Bangalore. I thought we'd tribute to Kishore Kumar. Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.